Surprisingly, one of the biggest projects in the crypto field has launched a new major airdrop for most of its users. In this matter, we are talking about the big DeFi leader AAVE. AAVE is airdropping 5% of its total supply. If you are an AAVE holder or have already conducted transactions, activities, or actions on their platform, then you have a significant chance to be eligible for their airdrop. I will leave the link to check your eligibility in the description of this video. In my case, I have already received my share. Don't let this opportunity slip through your fingers, as it could be a game changer for your crypto journey. For those who are not familiar with this project, AAVE is a decentralized crypto lending platform. AAVE requires collateral in the form of cryptocurrency to borrow other cryptocurrencies. AAVE offers a native token, AAVE, to earn interest through staking. AAVE borrowers risk liquidation of collateral if the value of that collateral drops too far. On the technical side, according to our current AAVE price prediction, the price of AAVE is predicted to rise by 2.31% and reach $176.65 by December 26, 2024. Per our technical indicators, the current sentiment is bullish, while the Fear and Greed Index is showing 79, extreme greed. AAVE recorded 15%, 50% green days with 10.54% price volatility over the last 30 days. Based on the AAVE forecast, it's now a good time to buy AAVE. That was all for this video, guys. I hope you like it. Don't forget to spread the news with your crypto fellows. See you soon.